Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I put my lashes on and how I do my eyeliner. I get questions all the time like, do you wear fake eyelashes every day or those lash extensions? And I definitely wear fake eyelashes every day. It's just a part of my routine that I can't stop doing. I'm a lash freak. My lash collection, I have a lash book. Other lashes, more lashes, more lashes, more lashes, more lashes, more lashes, and more lashes. And this isn't even all of my lashes, which is sad. I have so many, but the thing is I'm gonna keep buying more. You can never have too many, obviously. So if you want to see how I put my lashes on and how I do my winged eyeliner, because those are always requested, keep watching. Also too, I will throw up my Instagram right here. I also have a highlight reel of lashes that I do usually get. Go give me a follow and go through that highlight reel and you can see some other lashes. So keep on watching. So for this, I'm going to be using, so these are the Violet Voss lashes I'm using today. And then I'm going to be using the Colourpop volumizing mascara. Really, any mascara works. And then I go between two eyeliners. So I have one eyeliner. This is just by Physicians Formula, and then I have the e.l.f. eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna throw on just a little bit of eyeshadow just to give my eyes some more color. Okay, so this liner is like a felt tip marker. So how I start my winged eyeliner is I start in the corner of my outer corner of my eye, and then I figure out where the bottom of my eyebrow is. So first I like to draw a line. Then I take, not quite at the end of this, but maybe like a little bit further, like right at the end of the line, I start and then I drop in. So that's kind of where our wing is gonna be. So I only draw it to about the mid of my eye, because if I try to go all the way in, I know that I usually won't get it pretty spot on. So after I have this here, I kind of start to inch it into the center of my eye, because I don't want the center of my eye to be as thick as it is out here. I slowly just start making this line blend in with the back of this tail. So I like to use my e.l.f. eyeliner, and this e.l.f. eyeliner is only like $3 I think at the store. Perfect. So that is how I do my eyeliner. So my next step to this would be to put on a light layer of mascara before I put on my fake lashes. So good. Now's the fun part. So I'm gonna grab my lashes. So we're gonna take the lash, and I have a glue that's on like a little paintbrush. So then we're just going to paint some glue. I like to make sure that my glue is very even on my strip. A nice like thick layer. So now I actually have my fan on next to me. I have my fan going next to me, so I like to put my lashes on my fan for a little bit, because if you try to put your lash on when it's super wet, it's not gonna stay. I just kind of hold it there, and then when I get bored is when I put it on. Just waiting for my lash to dry. Okay. Sweet. So now, since I have both lashes on, I like to go over both of my strips just one more time. It doesn't have to be perfectly, just with liner, just in case if I messed up my line at all a little bit. Perfect. Okay, so now that we have our lashes on and my eye makeup is almost done, I am going to grab my Naked palette again, and I'm just going to throw some eyeshadow under my eyes just so it's not like top heavy. So I'm just going to take a tiny makeup brush, again with the same like nude colors that I had before, and I'm just going to add some color under here. And then usually what I will do is just take a pencil liner and add some liner on my waterline just down here. And then I'll stop about there. Perfect. And then just add some mascara to my bottom lashes. Sweet. And now we're done. Okay, well, hopefully you learned some tips and tricks today. Turned out pretty good today. It was a quick one. Looks pretty good. I am pretty impressed with myself. If you have any questions, any comments, just throw them down below. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I will be more on a schedule soon of putting out videos. Yeah, it's been 2 weeks since my last video. Ooh. Well, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends or your grandma or your mom. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a great day.
But the thing is I'm gonna keep buying more. I'm gonna keep buying more and more.